Alrighty guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Zombie. We're going to go ahead and open this air cleaning master. Essentially it is an ash vacuum from Vanpore. Got it off Amazon. Open it up, put her together, see what she looks like. It is cold as heck in here because I haven't had an ash vacuum because my filter got burnt up. Messed up the vacuum. So we got this bad boy. A few nozzles. Alrighty. Ash vacuum, 120 volts. It's going to be 20 kilopascals, 1200 watts. Way stronger than my last one. It was only 800. 5.3 gallons, about the same size. Nice little handle. Strong filter on that sucker. All right. Fire retardant shell here. Let's take this whole thing out. Very well packed. Does have wheels. Probably inside this guy. Alright, that's awesome. Perfect. One wheel, two wheels, three wheels, nozzle attachment, steel braided hose. More nozzle attachments. What is this guy? Metal pole here, huh? I'm usually good at getting things done without directions, but I really want to know what this metal pole is. It just goes on the end of this guy here. So, if it is hot, you don't burn yourself. Cool. And we're going to throw the wheels on first. It does take a little bit of force. Awesome. Nice steel. Go ahead and throw this guy in. Alrighty, so right here, we're just gonna go ahead and use the vacuum, clean this guy out. Been waiting a very long time. You can see how black it is. I let it run too long. So we're gonna go ahead and use this guy, clean it out, and we'll speed it up for you, all right? But if you'd like to skip this part, I totally get it. You can go to about 7 minutes and 44 seconds there. Alrighty, and from here, we're just gonna go ahead and turn the pellet stove on so we know everything's gonna work out right, my airflow's right, and my pipe was cleaned previously. Just the inside wasn't clean there, so we're gonna go ahead and clean up the area on the outside here. I loved this vacuum so much that I was like, okay, I gotta use it to clean the floors. It got a little dirty while I was cleaning that pipe, so that's why you see there's a bunch of black there. And we just want to make sure that it's getting started here. And we see it smoking a little bit. We see a few flames. And then we're good to go. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my video. If you want to see any more content like that, please like and subscribe. It helps me out very much. Peace.